In this video, I'm going to show you how you can let DeepSeek pull answers from the internet real time for you. So normally when you search questions on DeepSeek, DeepSeek is going to use its knowledge to answer you or reply you. But then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use DeepSeek to get answers from the internet real time, that's updated data. So you can see I've asked DeepSeek two different questions, the same question, but then I've done something separate in these two prompts. So you can see this prompt and you can see read 4 web pages on the internet to answer me this question, and also this, it didn't read any web page, it just answered me with the knowledge it has or it's been trained with. So to do this, if you want to get real-time information from the internet web pages, this is what you need to do. When you're about to type your prompt, you tap on the search button here. You can see the arrow on your screen, just tap on that. Good. After that, when it's highlighted, you can search anything. So let's say I'm trying to search my channel, or let me just enter the name of my channel, something like that. Good. So in this case, DeepSeek is going to get the answer from glancing through the internet. Yes, glancing through pages that have been indexed on Google. Yeah, mostly it's Google or other different search engines, just to get the rightful information and then create the information and then send it here, something like that. So now let's tap on the send, and good. You can see searching for K-brother on the internet. That's not how DeepSeek answers questions. Mostly you process it in the background with its trained data and then give you an answer, and you can see based on results. That's it. Yeah, so that's it on how you can let DeepSeek pull real-time data from the internet from you rather than it answering you by its own knowledge. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.